Hey everybody, Roll Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. As you can already tell, we're out here in the wood shop. I've been planing some maple and some black walnut. I'm doing segmented cutting boards this week, but I got a super surprise. I got some mail. And before we open this up, first and foremost, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the notification bell to be notified of uploads and live streamings. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. This is a welcome surprise, all the way from Norway. Stick around and see what we got. Now, first and foremost, if you don't have Crazy Ann, you've apparently not been on YouTube. And if you have a YouTube channel or been on YouTube and you don't have her, your channel's lacking. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. Check her out and you can thank me later. Let's see what we've got. Oh my God. Letter, which I will not read. She has absolutely loaded me down with awesomeness. I mean, for real. For real, for real. Got a letter. Got a card. Her sunset. Her sunrise. These are over. I watched this on one of her live streams. I think one of her very first live streams when she hit 1K. But look at here, look at here. A sticker for the box. A magnet. Look, check it out. That's her. She's freaking awesome. And a sticker for the box. And a sticker for the pressure can. I want to dolly up my pressure can because it's a big important part to my wood shop. Nevertheless, I appreciate you, Crazy Ann. You are flipping awesome. You are flipping awesome. And like I said, if you don't have her by some odd reason, either you live under a rock and you don't have internet, or you've not been in the right places, check the description box below. You'll find her. You'll find her link. Check her out. You can thank me later. Like I said, you can thank me later because you will. I know you will. Nevertheless, it's Roll Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Thanks for the wonderful stickers, the magnet, photo. Freaking awesome. Hey, thanks for everything that you do for me, my family, my shop, and the Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance channel. Go farther, stay longer. Thanks for watching. Awesome.